Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make marshmallows at home without corn syrup. Bloom gelatin in 60 ml cold water while preparing the sugar syrup. Heat 300 g granulated sugar with 120 ml water and 1/4 tsp salt to the softball stage, about 115 degrees C on a candy thermometer. Whip the hot syrup into the Bloom gelatin until glossy, then pour into a pan dusted with powdered sugar and cool. Gather your ingredients and set them out for an efficient workflow. Weigh 300 g sugar and measure 120 ml water for the syrup, plus 60 ml cold water to Bloom 10 g gelatin. Have 1/4 tsp salt and 1 tsp vanilla ready, and a bowl of powdered sugar for dusting. Optional extracts or food coloring can be added during whipping to customize flavor and appearance for sandwiches or s'mores. Start by blooming the gelatin so it is fully hydrated before contact with hot syrup. While gelatin blooms, combine sugar and water and heat to the softball stage, about 115 degrees C, using a candy thermometer. Carefully pour the hot syrup into the mixer while whipping, then increase speed until the mixture triples in volume and becomes glossy. Fold in vanilla, transfer to a prepared pan, dust with powdered sugar, and allow to set before cutting.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.